So, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it's one of the most hyped phones coming in 2025. But we've just got some leaked battery info, and honestly, it's a bit of a letdown. Despite all the rumors, all the hype, and all the potential, Samsung is keeping the same 5000 mAh battery once again. Yep, no upgrade, no next-gen battery tech, just the same old. Let's break down what this means, why it matters, and what Samsung's thinking here. Because while it sounds disappointing, there's more to this story. The leak comes from Galaxy Club, and if you follow Samsung news, you know they're legit. They've nailed details on previous phones, and this time they've confirmed. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will stick with a 5000 mAh battery, just like the S25 Ultra, and the S24, and the S23. You get the idea. There's no mention of faster charging either, so don't expect a 65W or a 100-watt breakthrough. It'll likely still be stuck at 45W max. Here's why this matters. While Samsung is playing it safe, Chinese brands like Xiaomi, Honor, and Vivo are pushing out silicon carbon batteries, a new battery tech that holds more energy in the same size.
These batteries are lighter, more efficient, and can pack 6,000 milliamp hours or more in a thin phone. Meanwhile, the S26 Ultra is using a traditional lithium-ion pack. That means no power boost, even though users are demanding longer screen time, more gaming, and better performance. So, yeah, kind of a missed opportunity. Now, here's the twist. The Galaxy S25 Edge earlier this year used a denser battery pack, helping it fit a slightly bigger battery in a slim design. But it still wasn't silicon carbon. It was just Samsung optimizing what they already had. This tells us something. Samsung knows how to increase efficiency and density, but it's not ready to adopt next-gen batteries in its Ultra line. Not yet. Is it due to supply chain issues, cost, or just waiting for tech maturity? Possibly all three. Let's zoom out. This isn't just about numbers on a spec sheet. When users are streaming more, gaming harder, and filming in 8K, they expect their phones to keep up. Samsung might argue that software optimization and a more efficient 3nm chip will balance it out. And yes, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be better with power. But in a world where 6,000 mAh phones are becoming normal, 5,000 mAh feels like standing still. So why is Samsung not going bold? Well, it comes down to safety, reliability, and scale. Samsung has had battery issues in the past, and they're extra careful now. Rolling out a new battery tech across millions of units is risky. If something goes wrong, it's a global disaster. They'd rather perfect it behind the scenes, roll it out in a lower volume model first, and only then bring it to the Ultra line. And honestly, that's not a bad strategy, just not exciting for early adopters like us. Now here's a sliver of hope. The leak only confirmed the S26 Ultra's battery. It didn't mention the S26, the S26 Plus, or the next-gen S26 Edge. Samsung could still surprise us with bigger or more efficient batteries in those models, especially in the Edge variant, which already showed clever engineering in the S25 line. But right now, though, that's just speculation. Here's what's crazy. While the S26 Ultra stays the same, Samsung's foldables are charging ahead, literally. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 set to launch soon will have the biggest battery ever in a Samsung flip phone. That's a huge win for a device known for its small size. So maybe Samsung is saving the best battery tech for the foldables? Maybe foldables are the real Ultra. So there you have it. The Galaxy S26 Ultra battery leak confirms no big jump, no fancy new tech, and likely no charging speed increase. It's a small step when users were hoping for a leap. Let me know in the comments, does this change your excitement for the S26 Ultra, or are you waiting for Samsung to go all in on their foldables? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.